Okay, this video we're going to be focusing on these houses. It's kind of a new thing that they've developed. All these houses and also these tall buildings are all new. I did another video recently where I walked the other way, but I'm going to be mostly focused on this space for now. So and I'm kind of this waterfront. I'll talk about that too. Show you what's over there and what's over here too. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, before we get into that, this is the Zhuhai, China. So this is there's a massive construction. You can see all those cranes over there. And there's cranes everywhere. Actually, there's a crane on top of that. There's a crane up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's a bunch in the background too. 15 over there maybe. There's another crane over there. There's a couple on top of those boats. There's a couple of them over there on top of those. Basically, this is all being massively constructed. It's called Hengqin. That's more like Zhuhai, and then Hengqin Island would be the waterway that breaks the two apart. But that mountain is going to be preserved. But there's going to be a ton of buildings in front of that mountain, kind of on. But they're all being constructed. But right now it's COVID and can't really get over there very easily. It's travel is quite restrictive. But this focus is going to be this one. This is all new. This is the Broadway Casino. That's a Galaxy Casino on the Cotai Strip. And these are a bunch of apartments. And they're kind of cool. Got some giant windows right here. And this one looks like it has a giant wall, which is probably good because in that way they can maybe have like a yard. And I think this one maybe is the same. So they would have the apartment and maybe like some space, like a yard space. And actually they're kind of lucky because they're removed upward. So you know you can put stuff out there and nobody would really know what's up there. Probably the same as this. And right now it's all restricted. But later, okay, yeah, I can see it now. I can see like the green grass kind of stuff. Not grass, but what do you call that? Fake astroturf? Astroturf. So you got some astroturf in there. Beautiful windows. And I guess, yeah, I guess you drive down to your place and then park in your space. So you have Villa 1, Villa 2, Villa 3, they go all the way down. And some villas are up there. And then if you're living in this one, which you'd have to have a lot of money, I would believe, to live there, you would be looking at this glass windows of the Broadway, back of the Broadway Casino. I get to walk down the street today. Later this will be filled with cars, like I imagine. Not sure though. Over there is the backside of Galaxy. So there's Broadway. Galaxy is this one and Broadway is this one, and they're connected. They're the same company. And Broadway has like a walking street. So you can see this little thing right here. It says live music, Broadway, Macau. And then there's a green right over there, Thai restaurant. Oh, this is our focus over here. But these people could hear that all night long, all the drinking and partying, but they won't be able to see it very well because that wall, but they'll hear it all night. They'll hear all the talking and things like that. That would be interesting because this is a little bit like a nightlife zone, so it's kind of constructed so that I kind of felt like they have these bars open later than other places that are in the city that might have noise ordinances. But now that they build these are going to be really expensive, right? And then you get, like, this is your place, and then I guess you could go up there, then you'd just be looking into there. I don't know, maybe it's interesting. Hard to say. I guess you would know that coming in, right? You would be up there and be like, oh yeah, okay, every night we're going to hear people drinking and talking loudly. And you'd either be interesting to you or not interested. Not interesting. Anyways, wow, this door is open. I'd like to walk in there, but definitely that'd be trespassing. But I can see how cool it looks. Huh. Actually, that door walks right into it. Doesn't look like it's very well constructed. This looks kind of like kind of cheap material. Huh, I don't know. It looks really nice. Not sure what the construction would be like. Anyways, that's going to be our focus. It looks really amazing actually, but I don't know if it's like a fake veneer or if it's, but it's gotta cost a lot of money because look at that, you get that entire building. But yeah, that material feels really, let me just knock on it real quick and you can hear it. You can kind of see. Well, anyways, I'm not a construction person, so it looks like the same stuff that they make the casinos out of, that kind of like stuff that doesn't look like it would last very long. But I don't know. Those windows look pretty cool, amazing giant windows. I'm gonna stop talking. But I think those giant windows, and we got these massive typhoons that come into Macau, and you got these massive windows like that. It's all windows, right? It's like amazing. But at the same time, all these windows too, and all these windows, wow. These are, yeah, I definitely will come over here and film when typhoon season comes. Wow, dang. Gonna be a lot of broken glass around this area. Man, look at all that glass. Wow, okay. Well, there's a lot of glass. These could get broken a lot too in the typhoons. Well, we'll see. I don't know. I don't know what the glass is made out of. It looks like thin and single. If it's double, it's different, right? I guess it's kind of thick. The single. Maybe it'll, I don't know. Anyways. And we're gonna come out to the end of this street. And there's a galaxy, of course. And then I'll show you the main street and then we'll end this video. That's the construction here. And then this is gonna be like tiny little storefront stuff. I don't know what they're gonna have in it. It'd be interesting. And then of course you have the residences up there. Those do look really nice, high rises. Right across from Galaxy. I guess if you have all these shops too, it'll be interesting. Got some beautiful people there. They got some for the yacht club. The yacht club villas are surrounded by glorious prosperity as the sea melts into the sky. The yacht club villas are surrounded by glorious prosperity as the sea melts into the sky. As the sea melts into the sky. Okay. It's living, residence, work, and entertainment all in one. Okay. Link Broadway Macau with shopping, food, and entertainment. Okay. Oh, this is the bigger picture of it. So I guess this is one giant complex, and those are all the villas that we just saw. Looks different. We just walked in there and we saw how it was different than that. Oh, okay, so this is like some other place. So I guess it's modeled after this, but it's not really this at all. It's something totally different. It's not quite that either. That looks like something different, but actually that looks like it could be more closer to what it's supposed to be. It's all those shops with all the people, right? So they kind of imagine there'd be like tons of shops and then these two things and then people doing parachuting that's open ocean. But actually Zhuhai, China is right across the river there. But kind of cool. These are the tiny little apartments that we just saw. Big apartments, but there's a small block of one inside. Looks gorgeous. Actually, it looks small here. The car looks like it's like, well, anyways, pretty cool. And this is our main street down here. So I guess they imagine this would just be filled with tourists walking up and down and then running across here to go to the casino, I guess. They should go walk all the way down there and do this overpass, but when you go down the street in a vehicle, you always see mainland Chinese tourists running across as fast as they can, across these 8 lanes, and jump over the fence too. But anyways, that's a COVID hotel right over there. So yeah, those are Sar Cotai Shopping Arcade, Deluxe residence. Pretty cool overall. Huh, that's that bigger picture of that again. A little bit different, but interesting anyways. Okay, let's end it right there then.